It was a bright, sunny morning. Sophia's class was going to Sunny Animal Park. "Look, Mr. Dan is waiting for us," said Sophia. "Good morning, everyone," said Mr. Dan, the kind park ranger. "Today we will see many amazing animals. Listen carefully. They might make some sounds for you." As they walked through the gate, a gentle hoot, hoot came from above. Sophia looked up. "Something is in the tree." "It's an owl," said Mr. Dan. "Owls have big, round eyes. They can see in the dark. They like quiet places." The owl blinked slowly, as if to say, "Hello." "Stay close, children," said Mr. Dan as they walked along a small path. Something long and shiny moved on the ground. "It's a snake," said Adrian. "Don't worry," said Mr. Dan. "Snakes have no legs, but they can move very fast." Everyone watched as it slid away into the grass. Suddenly, roar filled the air. Sophia jumped. What was that sound? "That's our tiger," laughed Mr. Dan. "Tigers are strong and fast. They have orange fur with black stripes." The tiger yawned in the sun. It looked calm now. Near the pond, Sophia heard, "Quack, quack." "Oh, ducks," she said. "They love to swim," said Mr. Dan. "Their feet are wide like paddles." A group of ducks splashed happily in the water. From the trees came funny sounds. "Ooh, ooh, ah, ah! Monkeys!" shouted everyone. "They are playful and clever," said Mr. Dan. "They climb trees and love to eat fruit." A baby monkey swung by its tail. Everyone laughed. "Let's visit the baby animals," said Mr. Dan. A small rabbit hopped to Sophia. "Hello, little bunny," she said. Next came a soft, white lamb jumping around. "This one likes to follow its mother," said Mr. Dan. A tall foal walked proudly nearby. "It is still learning to run fast," said Mr. Dan. In a basket, a tiny kitten was sleeping. Beside it, a puppy wagged its tail and played with the ball. They walked near the pond again. "Look at that slow animal," said Sophia. "That's a turtle," said Mr. Dan. "It has a hard shell on its back. It walks slowly but swims very well." Sophia smiled. "It looks like a soldier with a shield." Next, they saw a very tall animal with brown spots. "Wow, it can reach the top of the tree," said Sophia. "That's a giraffe," said Mr. Dan. "It uses its long neck to eat green leaves." The giraffe bent down and looked at the children kindly. Before leaving, they stopped at the farm. A big cow stood eating grass. "Moo! Hello, children," said Mr. Dan in a funny voice. "She gives us milk," said Sophia proudly. Everyone waved goodbye to the gentle cow. On the bus ride home, Sophia looked out the window. The sky was orange like sunset. "Today was such a fun day," she said. "I liked the giraffe," said Adrian. "I liked the duck. Quack, quack," laughed Caddy. Mr. Dan smiled. Every animal is special in its own way. Sophia nodded. Yes,
Big or small, they all have their own home and story.